Okay, so we are here to focus on the engaging of, engaging with the youth. So what we're going to do first is we're going to review your critical point, which is number 1 on the top. The YSP has a brief and clear explanation of the high fidelity wraparound process. This is pretty much that elevator speech that you started. That is what your key initial time that you meet with the family. That's kind of what you would give to the youth. In order to meet it, the YSP explains high fidelity as a team-based planning process, ensuring that the youth understands what that means by checking in every now and then. For a partial, it's the YSP explains high fidelity wraparound as a team-based planning process without checking in. Of course, checking in, it's one of those, we always want to make sure that everything's going good for the families, they understand everything. So it's like a key thing to our explanation, just so if they have any questions they can ask us. Okay? She's nodding her head yes. Just remember, it's not facing you.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So the critical point 1, I've explained to you guys that we have this, our fidelity to the model, so we follow that theory of change. This critical point helps us to follow that theory of change. It helps us to get the families to understand so that they can start voicing their opinions. It helps them to be able to engage with us so that they'll feel comfortable, as well as them understanding how our program is different than everybody's. So it just kind of gets them more comfortable, so that way we can flow through that theory of change much easier. It also gets them to understand what our theory of change is, and how it is beneficial to them, with the natural supports and the prioritized needs. And it also is based around our 10 principles that we have, that voice and choice being one of our number 1 principles, along with the collaboration. So it understands what our collaboration will do. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay. So with us doing this critical point, we kind of already started with the PDP and with getting the elevator speech set up. Is there anything that you would need in order to continue on with it?
No.
No? Okay. So I thought maybe what we can do today is just get started on you viewing you viewing me modeling it. I already have a video set up, so that way we can watch that. We'll debrief on that, and then if you're comfortable, then we can start going through the elevator speech that you have planned. That sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I am going to pause this lovely video over here for us to watch the modeling.